G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pierre and this is Simple Home Brew. I haven't got Cornelius here today. I haven't had time to get him organised. So we're just doing a plain tasting of the beer that I made about 5 weeks ago. It was a Bitter Vic. I'll put a link up here. I was suggested one of these beer kits from a subscriber. I don't know if he wants to be named, so I won't name him. He can put his name in the comments down below. It's called a Bitter Vic. It's a VB all-grain recipe kit. It's a 23 litre kit. And I made it basically from scratch. They gave me a bit of a write-up on it. Now, their write-up is, we know that VB is not everyone's favourite beer, and I don't know why I did it. I just did it to see if I can do it. However, it is one of those beers that many seek to brew this Australian-style lager fermented warm. Yeah, it's a lager that's been fermented warm. True style, crisp, clear with a low hop and malt profile, which is very right. The base of the Australian Pilsner malt along with the healthy addition of cane sugar. That's right, they put some cane sugar in it as well. This beer also has a ABV of 4.9%. The IBU is 22.8 and then the brewhouse efficiency is 72%. I don't know, I might have gotten a bit better than that, but that's all right. My resulted numbers were very close. It actually came up close to that. What they used in it is Pilsner malt, a Pride of Ringwood, which is 25 grams of Pride of Ringwood, and that was also, hang on, I just need a drink. Tastes like pub beer, just like pub beer, which is off the tap. It's not too bad. I've drank a lot of pub beer in my life. They provide you with 2 packets of yeast. Now, I don't think we need to pitch 2 packs of yeast for this kind of sugar. It only had 1.046 in the gravity. So I'm sure, I mean, if it was 10.0.60 or something like that, yeah, maybe 2 packets, but 1 packet should be enough, even though I put them both in anyway because it says to do that. They also provide you with a yeast nutrient and full instructions, which were very, very in-depth, which was quite great. They're really helpful. And they give you all the other bits you need. It is a very good kit. And they also warn you that it is for a Robo system or Grainfather, which I use a Grainfather, or, Briziello, something like that. It's not just for, brewing a bag. You could do it in a brewing a bag, but it'll be pretty heavy. But what we're here for today is we are tasting it. As you can see, it is clear as a whistle, nicely brewed, very nice, very clean. Got a great carbonation in there, if you can see the drip, the bubbles. Yeah, I'll probably show you on that one again. Nice carbonation, very cold, and of course I took a sip already. It definitely has a beer scent to it, like in a pub. I mean, if you go to a pub and get it off the tap and get a VB off tap, it'll be darker than this. This is very light. I haven't got a VB to compare it with. And it would taste very much the same. The last time I tasted a VB, it was a little bit sweeter than this and probably a bit more hard, probably a little bit more rich on the tongue. This is a bit milder. It's not so harsh. It's got a nice bitterness to it. It's like a 22.8. It's not high. I have a stout that's much higher than this. I reckon it's about 40 IBUs. And very, very clean in flavour. Tastes great. I must say though, 2 weeks ago I tried this and it was more fruity. As it's aged, it's starting to taste more like a VB. Really, really good. If you like VB, guys, give this one a go. They do have a Victoria Bitter recipe on there as well. Check that out. These guys haven't paid me. I have just found them through a subscriber, and thank you very much. And it was fun to make. It was absolutely fun to make. Beautiful beer. It's very smooth, very soft. I might bottle this one. I might take it out of the keg and put it into bottles. By the way, I was given some bottles from a friend that they weren't using anymore, so they gave me a whole bunch of bottles, and they're actual proper beer bottles. I've got the caps and I'll start bottling them. In the next couple of weeks, I'll have a live stream going. I am working on a Irish Stout by Mangrove Jacks, and that's in the middle of fermenting. I've made most of the video already for it. I just need to end it with a tasting. So what I've decided to do is post the video as a live stream, and then at the end of the live stream I'll do a live tasting. That'll happen on a Sunday, probably in about 2 weeks' time, I hope. Maybe 3, depending on how it goes. It's not going to be ready. I do it anyway because it needs to be done. And I hope you enjoy that. If you want to see more of Cornelius, let me know in the comments. I haven't been able to get him on at the moment. Maybe we've been too busy. It just doesn't happen all the time. If you want to see more, I'm definitely able to bring him along and do some more videos with him. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you really like this channel, just subscribe. I have videos coming out once a week at least. I'll leave a link in the description, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Ciao.